commercial unit of energy, may electrical energy consumed in our homes for various purposes and we pay bill. How these bills are calculated, it is involved in this topic. Commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour or kWh. Kilowatt hour or kWh. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 watt hour. 1000 watt means 1 watt. Watt means 1 watt means 1 joule per second. Therefore, 1000 watt hour means 1000 joule per second. Into 1 hour, 1000 joule per second, and 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 second. Now 1000 into 60 into 60, 3600 joule per second into second. This second and second will cancel and we get only joule. This will be 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. To express it in a standard form, leaving there in front of one digit, we place a decimal point here and we will get 3.6 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 to the power 6 joules. Now, kilowatt hour kWh is also called 1 kWh is equal to 1 BOTU or Board of Trade Unit. Board of Trade Unit, simply we say it as unit, in the form of which our electric bills come in our homes. That is why now we have to calculate the electrical energy. Suppose a lamp is rated 220 volt 100 watt. It means that when the set bulb is connected to 220 volt electrical supply, it will fully glow, means it will glow with its full capacity and consumes 100 joules of energy per second. Now it is very easy to calculate. We know the electrical energy consumed in our home. We know that P is equal to power is equal to energy consumed by time taken. Power is equal to energy consumed by time taken. So energy consumed will be equal to power into time. Suppose the bulb is of 100 watt and time is 1 hour, then 100 watt hour will be our energy, and then we divide it by 1000 to get kilowatt hour or unit. That's all. Now we will study the Joule's law of heating effect. Joule's law of heating effect. We have studied effect of current as chemical effect. We have studied in class 10 and also we will study in class 10 chemistry. Magnetic effect of current we will study in next chapter, but in this chapter we will study heating effect of current related and Joule's law. Subscribe my channel and continue on my channel to get more information and numerical problems in next class. That's all.